Hello, young innovator, and welcome to the Reimagine challenge for just July. As always, let's get started by reading the challenge together in the app. Innovators are driven by the challenge of enhancing value of everyday functional objects, spaces, and even services. Are you ready to take on our monthly challenge to reimagine an everyday, almost invisible functional object? Go for it. Can you reimagine your favorite pair of shoes to enhance their value? What purpose do shoes serve? Right? What are your favorite pair of shoes? How do you feel every time you wear them? I want you to draw them out in as much detail as possible. I want you to think about what is it that you like about them, and if you had to point out to something negative about them, what would it be? Can you reimagine your favorite pair of shoes to add new value? Brainstorm different ways to add value. What does adding value means? Making something even more useful, even more beneficial, right? So can you reimagine, even revolutionize your favorite pair of shoes to add new function? And what would that new function be? How is it going so far? How many different ways of adding value have you brainstormed? Step 1, as always, writing a clear and concise problem statement in the first worksheet for this challenge titled My Problem Statement. I want you to pick out your innovative best, sketch them out, explain the new function, the new value that they add very clearly. Take a photo and upload it in the worksheet, My Innovative Idea. And on to the final worksheet, making an ad word clearly explaining your innovation, how it adds value and why it is great. This could be a TV advert, a radio jingle, or a billboard hoarding. That's entirely up to you. But your innovation has to be explained clearly in your ad word, and it has to grab attention. So make it clever, make it witty, make it funny. Don't forget your humor, and I will see you in the next challenge.